In a significant legal development, the Madras High Court recently delivered a landmark ruling that underscores the importance of individual rights and the principle of fairness. This decision is a testament to the judiciary's role in ensuring that justice prevails and that the rights of individuals are protected against any form of misuse or misinterpretation of the law. The court categorically stated that executing a security bond for good behavior under Section 109 of the Criminal Procedure Code, or CrPC, cannot be construed as a criminal proceeding. This clarification is crucial as it differentiates between preventive measures and punitive actions, ensuring that individuals are not wrongfully stigmatized. This ruling has far-reaching implications for individuals who may face employment hurdles due to their involvement in such proceedings. Many people have been unfairly judged and denied job opportunities simply because they were required to execute a security bond, which is not indicative of any criminal behavior. This decision reinforces the notion that preventive measures should not be used to unfairly penalize individuals or deny them opportunities. It emphasizes that the legal system must be fair and just, providing equal opportunities for all, regardless of their past involvement in non-criminal proceedings. The court's interpretation of Section 109 CrPC provides much-needed clarity and protection for those who might otherwise be unjustly disadvantaged. This interpretation ensures that the law is applied correctly and that individuals are not subjected to undue prejudice. This ruling serves as a beacon of hope for individuals who have been unfairly denied opportunities based on their past involvement in security proceedings. It sends a strong message that the judiciary is committed to protecting the rights of individuals and ensuring that justice is served. It underscores the judiciary's commitment to upholding justice and safeguarding individual rights. This landmark ruling is a reminder that the legal system must always strive to be fair, just, and equitable, ensuring that every individual is treated with dignity and respect. Section 109 of the Criminal Procedure Code, or CrPC, is a legal provision that empowers magistrates to maintain public order by preventing potential offenses. This section is a critical part of the legal framework, designed to ensure that peace and harmony are preserved within society. By giving magistrates the authority to act preemptively, it serves as a safeguard against the escalation of minor disturbances into major conflicts. It allows them to demand a security bond from individuals suspected of engaging in activities that could disrupt peace and tranquility. This bond acts as a form of assurance that the individual will not partake in any actions that could lead to public disorder. The requirement of a security bond is not just a punitive measure, but a preventive one, aimed at discouraging potential offenders from committing any acts that could disturb the public peace. This provision is often invoked in situations where there is a reasonable apprehension of a cognizable offense being committed. For instance, if there are credible reports or evidence suggesting that an individual is planning to engage in illegal activities, the magistrate can step in to prevent the offense before it occurs. This proactive approach is essential in maintaining law and order, especially in volatile situations. It is crucial to understand that proceedings under Section 109 CrPC are preventive, not punitive. The primary goal is to avert potential crimes and ensure that individuals do not engage in activities that could harm society. This preventive nature distinguishes it from other legal provisions that are primarily punitive. The objective is not to punish individuals for past actions, but to deter them from engaging in future criminal activities. By focusing on prevention rather than punishment, the law aims to create a safer environment for everyone. This approach helps in reducing the overall crime rate and promotes a sense of security among the public. This distinction is fundamental to understanding the Madras High Court's recent ruling. The court emphasized that the preventive aspect of Section 109 CrPC should be upheld to ensure that it is not misused. The ruling highlighted the importance of using this provision judiciously to protect the rights of individuals while maintaining public order. The court's interpretation of Section 109 CrPC emphasizes its preventive nature, ensuring that it is not misused to unfairly target individuals or deny them opportunities. This interpretation serves as a guiding principle for magistrates and law enforcement agencies, reminding them of the true purpose of this legal provision. This ruling serves as a crucial reminder that the law should be used to protect, not persecute. It underscores the importance of balancing the need for public order with the rights and freedoms of individuals, ensuring that justice is both fair and effective. The Madras High Court's landmark ruling came in the case of S. Saravanan, who had been unfairly denied a job opportunity due to his past involvement in a security proceeding. Saravanan, who had been asked to execute a bond for good behavior under Section 109 CrPC, was deemed ineligible for the position of a police constable. The court, however, overturned this decision, asserting that executing a security bond under Section 109 CrPC does not equate to a criminal conviction. The judges emphasized that such proceedings are preventive and should not be used as a basis for denying employment opportunities. The court's verdict in favor of S. Saravanan sets a powerful precedent for challenging discriminatory practices and protecting the rights of individuals who have been unfairly targeted based on their past involvement in security proceedings. The Madras High Court's ruling in the S. Saravanan case is a resounding affirmation of the fundamental legal principle of innocent until proven guilty. By stating that executing a security bond under Section 109 CrPC does not constitute a criminal proceeding, the court has upheld the presumption of innocence. This ruling prevents the misuse of security proceedings to unfairly label individuals as criminals or deny them opportunities based on mere suspicion or apprehension. It ensures that individuals are not penalized without a fair trial and a chance to defend themselves. The court's decision reinforces the importance of due process and the right to a fair hearing, ensuring that individuals are not unjustly deprived of their liberty or opportunities without proper legal justification. Section 5. Safeguarding Employment Opportunities. A look at the larger picture. The Madras High Court's ruling has significant implications for employment practices and the protection of individual rights in the workplace. It sets a precedent for employers to refrain from discriminating against individuals based on their past involvement in security proceedings. The ruling emphasizes that employment decisions should be based on merit and qualifications, not on unfounded assumptions or prejudices. It encourages a fair and inclusive work environment where individuals are not unfairly disadvantaged due to their past. This decision serves as a reminder for employers to adopt ethical hiring practices and to ensure that their decisions are not influenced by discriminatory biases or irrelevant factors. Section 6. Navigating Related Legal Provisions, Sections 107, 117, and 122 CrPC. These sections are integral to understanding the legal landscape. To fully grasp the implications of the Madras High Court's ruling, it's essential to understand the broader legal framework surrounding security proceedings. This framework is designed to ensure public safety and order. Sections 107, 117, and 122 of the Criminal Procedure Code, or CrPC, are particularly relevant in this context. They provide the legal basis for preventive measures. Section 107 empowers magistrates to prevent breaches of peace by requiring individuals to execute bonds for keeping the peace. This is a proactive measure to deter potential disturbances. Section 117 outlines the procedure for inquiries related to security for keeping the peace. It details the steps that must be followed to ensure due process. Section 122 deals with the consequences of violating bond conditions, such as forfeiture of the bond amount. This serves as a deterrent against non-compliance. These provisions, along with Section 109, provide a comprehensive legal framework for maintaining public order and preventing potential offences. They work in tandem to create a robust system. Understanding their nuances is crucial for ensuring that these provisions are applied fairly and justly. Legal professionals must be well versed in these sections to effectively uphold the law and protect citizens' rights. Section 7. The Juvenile Justice Act, shielding the future of young individuals. The Madras High Court's ruling also aligns with the principles enshrined in the Juvenile Justice Act, which emphasizes the rehabilitation and reintegration of young offenders into society. The Act recognizes that children and adolescents should not be burdened by their past mistakes and deserve a chance to build a better future. The court's decision to prevent the use of security proceedings as a barrier to employment opportunities resonates with the spirit of the Juvenile Justice Act. It ensures that past involvement in such proceedings does not permanently taint an individual's record or hinder their chances of leading a productive life. This approach promotes a more compassionate and rehabilitative justice system that focuses on reforming individuals rather than simply punishing them. Section 8. Conclusion. A triumph for justice and individual liberty. The Madras High Court's ruling is a significant victory for individual rights and the pursuit of justice. By clarifying that executing a security bond under Section 109 CrPC does not amount to a criminal proceeding, The court has prevented the misuse of this provision to unfairly penalize individuals. This landmark decision reinforces the importance of due process, the presumption of innocence, and the right to a fair hearing. It ensures that individuals are not denied opportunities or labeled as criminals without proper legal justification. The ruling serves as a beacon of hope for those who have been unfairly targeted based on their past involvement in security proceedings. It reaffirms the judiciary's commitment to upholding the principles of fairness and equality before the law. Section 9. Seeking legal counsel. Protecting your rights and options. If you or someone you know is facing a similar situation, where past involvement in security proceedings is being used to deny employment or other opportunities, it is crucial to seek legal counsel. A qualified attorney can help you understand your rights, navigate the complexities of the law, and explore available legal remedies. Remember, you have the right to a fair hearing and to challenge any discriminatory practices that infringe upon your fundamental rights. Seeking legal assistance can empower you to protect your interests and ensure that justice is served. Don't hesitate to reach out to a legal professional who can provide guidance and support during these challenging times.